The improved Albright knot differs from the standard Albright knot mainly by adding extra security at the end. In the improved Albright, a few half-hitch knots are tied at the end to help prevent the knot from slipping or loosening under pressure. Additionally, some anglers prefer to wrap the main line around the other line more times, usually between 10 and 12 turns, when tying the improved Albright, which increases the knot's holding strength. These extra wraps make the knot more durable for handling strong fish or heavy loads, especially in saltwater fishing. You can check the explanations for various fishing-related knots and visit the channel for different content. You can check the explanations for various fishing-related knots and visit the channel for different content. Don't forget to subscribe for more fishing information.
Fin Fishing TV.
Thanks for watching.